Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel about behaving at zero time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Trident Limited. Trident is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. Here each candle represents 1 month, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed in the stock, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding data for technical analysis, we have data since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 21st. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I am taking this particular point as origin. June 2013 onwards, the stock started moving, in the upward direction and started making new highs. New high 1, 2, new high 3, 4, and again new high 5, new high 6. Okay, that's good. And right now, the stock right now is in the consolidation phase. Okay, the stock had been continuously moving in the upward direction, consistently making new highs. Though there are a few sideways movements, that's okay, but slowly it is moving in the upward direction. Actually, in 2017, we will look at the performance of the stock. In 2017, the stock started at 58, and today it is trading at 87. Okay. So nearly 30 rupees. Okay, it has given a benefit of 30 rupees to per share to its investors. Yeah, and so far, and that's okay. But this is a small cap, so yeah, again, this is a slow pace rising stock because after every new high, the stock is breaking into a sideways movement, and even the consolidation is also a little bit on the higher side. This time, this red candle what you're watching here is the November month candle. Actually, the stock was trading at 104 at the starting of the November, and today it is down. It is down and it is trading at 87. Okay, and literally some 15-17 rupees difference, and still it is going down. So that is the thing. And the stock, the good thing is it had already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average, and it is right now at the influence of positive super trend mode. It's okay. Trident Limited is into textiles. Okay, and the companies which are into this basic necessities related items, definitely they find their market, and they have a huge market, and a Trident kind of company which is a popular brand. I mean popular this thing manufacturer. Definitely by this time had a huge customer database. I mean people who buy from Trident are already there is a huge network for this kind of companies, and whenever the demand goes up a little bit, but these companies will get their stock gets spiked up at least 2 to 3 times. So what I'm trying to say is, once this kind of company starts its upward direction, there won't be looking back. Actually, though in a slow way, it will continuously try to move its stock price in the upward direction. That's what we are seeing here. Since 2013 onwards, the stock had been continuously moving in the upward direction. Though there are sideways movements, though there are a few consolidations here and there, huge consolidations, but still the stock is trying its level best to move in the upward direction. Okay, that's what is appreciable point in the stock. It's a slow pace rising stock again, and but anyway, the trend of the stock is definitely towards the upward direction. That we can clearly see that here. And now, if you look at the relative strength of the stock at this moment in the consolidation phase, you can easily expect that all the guiding points of the technical indicators, they show most of the guiding points. You'll get in a negative direction only, negative signal only. So similarly, I mean, as per the expectation, even relative strength is down, directional strength is down, stochastics is just playing near the top line 80, but again the slow line is on top of the fast line, and again both are diverging. So that is bad again, because the slow line is on top of the fast line. If the fast line is on top of the slow line and they are diverging, then that is a different case altogether. Here the reverse is happening. Price volume is changes. I mean, if you look at I'm keeping crosshairs here, the slope is increasing, right? You can clearly see that. Okay, so someone is accumulating the stock. Good. Momentum is literally down, though it is playing on top of the baseline. Balance of power and elder ray both are in sync with each other, and both show that the stock is in bullish mode. It's okay, it's good. But at this moment the stock right now is in the consolidation phase, But if you look at the market demand, market I mean brand image, market dynamics, this particular stock, I mean whatever it has been doing in the market, with the market, it has huge demand. I mean the textiles has huge demand. Everybody needs some other thing. When it comes to the textiles, and these people are into this paper, this thing also, wheat, yarn based, or I mean they have some sort of they are into this paper based stuff also, so products also. So the demand is there, the demand has been there, and if you look at the price path pattern, even that is also quite transparent, and you can clearly make it out that after I mean the stock is trying to move in the upward direction, because the trend line is clearly showing that after every new high the stock is going for a consolidation, and after that a sideways movement, and again a new high again, either definitely consolidation will be there, but sideways movement will be there or not, I mean like that. But still and after that again it is going for a new high. So there is it is not that like normal, there are a few stocks which we had already seen in other videos, where the stock just keep on making sideways movement, it won't cross at certain level, price level, and because it faces some sort of resistance there, and keeps bumping down again and again, again and again, again and again, like that, and it wastes time, lot of time of the investors and of itself. So here that is not the case. Though there is a sideways movement, though there is a consolidation phase, huge, I mean long term consolidation phase, but still the stock is trying to move in the upward direction. That is what is the appreciable point here. So we can categorize the stock as a slow pace rising stock, but definitely it is the trend is in the upward direction, and the stock can be considered for long term investment. Okay guys, this is the analysis for this stock. This is the conclusion also. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.